October 6, 1968, the world's eyes were fixed on Mexico City, host of the 19th Olympic Games. Athletes from around the globe had converged in the spirit of friendly competition, yet the atmosphere was rife with political tensions. And on this day, an iconic moment would unfold on the winner's podium. Tommie Smith and John Carlos, two talented American sprinters, had just secured their spots in history, Smith with a gold in the 200 meters and Carlos with a bronze. As the Star-Spangled Banner played, instead of the traditional hand-on-heart gesture, both athletes bowed their heads and raised a gloved fist, the salute of the Black Power movement. This was not just any gesture, it was a powerful statement against racial discrimination and for civil rights, particularly poignant in the context of the tumultuous 1960s America. Their silent protest was met with a mixture of applause and boos from the crowd. The impact, however, was undeniable. It was a visual shout, highlighting the struggles and demanding justice for African Americans facing systemic racism. The Olympics were meant to be apolitical, but Smith and Carlos used their platform to shine a spotlight on a critical issue, knowing the consequences they'd face. And face consequences they did. Both athletes were expelled from the Olympic Village and faced backlash at home. Yet, over time, their act of defiance was recognized for its bravery and significance. Today, that iconic image of two athletes raising their fists remains a symbol of resistance, reminding us of the power of peaceful protest and the need for continual progress in the fight against racial inequality. Had you heard about this event? Do you know about something else that happened today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow to never miss our daily videos that cover what happened on a day like this.